मेरो बच्चेदेखि एउटा सपना थियो building a PC, a powerful PC where I could game, stream any game that I want. After so many years, the dream has come true. So this is gonna be a video of mine जहाँ चाहिँ मैले PC build गर्छु, where I'll live my dream of setting a proper gaming setup for myself. So in this video, I'll be taking you through the process of me building my gaming setup. So without any delay, let's go for it. So hey there guys, let's look at what we got here. So this is the gaming desk. I want to build up my setup, and today's video is gonna be on me building my setup. So according to my new place, this is not set. I have the RGB lights going on. So there are a few things that I gotta do. So I got this desk of Amazon, but this is really small. So I didn't read the description. It was like 40 inches, so this one's kind of small, right? So I got a bigger one. We're gonna set it up here. So it kind of looks like this. If you can see it here. Okay, this is what we're gonna do it. And I want to look on few things. There are this G432 by Logitech and a mechanical keyboard. So I'm really excited about this mechanical keyboard because I never had a mechanical keyboard this based. It's Nitro XZO series and it's 32-inch display, and I think if I'm not wrong, you say 180 Hz display ho. So you can see how huge it is, right? And this thing is gonna go there. So I'm really excited about this setup. So this is how it looks so far. So the length is really good. It's not that wide. I don't know if I can fit my computer. So the room is kind of messed now. So I have a few more touches to do. After that, it's ready to go. Right. This is the Acer monitor that I was talking about. This thing is freaking huge, being honest. This is 32-inch display and this thing is huge. So this was the gaming table that I set up. So overall this thing is looking real pretty. So for now I have my Mac connected to this as an external display, but this is how the setup turned out. So everything's gonna be the same, but somewhere here I'm gonna decide where should I put the PC on, and the laptop is gonna go from there. So pretty much this is the thing, and now the PC is gonna get built up. I'm gonna show you a step-by-step process of the building of the PC. So first, the CPU button. So this is AMD Ryzen 7 series. So this is absolute best for gaming. So इसको 9 series पनि छ, that is more into productivity like 3D modeling and all, but AMD 7 series, one of the best for gaming. Next one is I have Corsair RAM. So I'm gonna use 32 gigs of RAM, and I think it's more than enough for gaming or productivity or high-end streaming. SSD चाहिँ मैले लिएको छु Samsung को 2 terabytes को, and it's a 4th gen. 2GB is more than enough if you want to play so many games, right? So this is the motherboard that we're gonna use as a. So the AMD को, so AMD Ryzen 1000 desktop ready. So this को चाहिँ के छ भन्दाखेरि it has built-in Wi-Fi, it has built-in Bluetooth support, so that I don't have to get external stuffs and all. So यो चाहिँ हाम्रो छ 360mm को, if I'm not wrong, yeah, 360mm को छ, अनि यो चाहिँ it's more than enough to cool our beast PC. So if I'm doing gaming, streaming or anything, so it has 3 fans and it should be more than enough. Corsair को RM850E. So यो चाहिँ 850 watt को. So if you want a game, this is the absolute beast GeForce RTX 5070. I'm really excited to try this ray tracing. So these are all the components that we're gonna use in Azuko build, and if you're wondering how much did it cost me around 3.1k Canadian dollars. So without any further delay, let's start the build. So I started my build with CPU. I was being यति careful कि त्यो बट्टाबाट निस्किरहेको थिएन के। अबे जल्दी बोल कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है। I wanted to be really careful on this किनभने एउटा पिन यताउता भयो भने नै it could damage the whole PC. तर I was really careful and finally it was successful and we had that satisfying pop sound पनि। You can literally hear our excitement through the video. It was huge achievement किनभने we had zero experience on PC building. हामीले न त अगाडि PC बनाएको थियौं. We just watched YouTube and went through it. अनि after CPU is done, the next part was RAM. And installing RAM was comparatively really easy. So we had to figure out the black gap कहाँ छ भनेर अनि त्यसपछि त्यही अनुसार त्यसलाई अलाइन गरेर राख्नु पर्ने थियो। And I struggled with the first one and the second one was quite easy. So you gotta just push it until you hear that click sound again. And finally RAM was also done. So the next part would be installing SSD. So SSD install गरेको चाहिँ मसँग clear footage छैन रहेछ. This is what I have got. So it was really easy. So the only thing that I had to make sure is to say first priority place मा was SSD and I just inserted it. अनि insert गरिसकेपछि I just had to screw it in on the place अनि त्यसलाई अनि माथिबाट cover लगाइदिनु थियो. After this, all three components on motherboard were almost done and the stressful part was gone किनभने in this process if I messed up just one pin I would lose my $600-700. So it was really stressful. So सबै components motherboard मा आइसकेपछि I was confused कि पहिला CPU cooler लगाम or should I put the mother box inside the case. So मैले धेरै भिडियोजहरु हेरे अनि I realized for myself पनि it would be easy if I install the motherboard first on the CPU case अनि त्यसपछि त्यो वायरहरु राख्नलाई चाहिँ सजिलो हुन्छ. So after aligning it perfectly I started on putting on the screws. So this was easily the best part of the build. When I opened this graphics card, right off it felt really premium. र सबभन्दा पहिला बक्समा थियो paperworks which we definitely read and didn't throw away. Here comes the beauty itself. So first मा हातमा लिँदाखेरि चाहिँ the packaging felt really premium. It was packaged really well and
साली चलती फिरती कोकेन है कोकेन.
Especially the feel of the graphic card was really good. The edges, the weight, everything was just perfect and I could not wait to play games on this and it was really good. It has 3 fans and यो चाहिँ Asus को RTX 5070 Ti which is one of the best graphics card that you can get on market right now and I can't wait to put this on my motherboard.
उल्टो भयो पाना त्यही उल्टो थियो यो चाहिँ यस्तो यसमा चाहिँ एउटा हो त्यस्तै हो त्यस्तै यहाँभित्र यसमा कुछ
So I just realized that I don't have any clips of me installing the cooler, the fan, the GPU and the power supply. किनभने त्यो पोइन्टमा we were so deep into the build that none of us remembered to click a video. We were watching YouTube videos and we were using ChatGPT and it was 7 hours of struggle just to keep components and wire on its place. त्यसपछि we turned on the CPU, made sure that everything was turning on and every component was working. And त्यसपछि the next day I started on making the PC look good, arranging all the wires, hiding all the extra wires. And त्यसपछि after 2 days of struggle, the build was finally done. So this is what the build looks like so far. I'm gonna peel this off. सो हाम्रो गेमिङ सेटअप चाहिँ कम्प्लिट भइसकेको छ फाइनली. नाउ द नेक्स्ट स्टेप वुड बी अफ कोर्स प्लेइङ गेम इन इट. Just let me know in the comment section which game should I play or which game should I install on my PC, and if there is any recommendation about my setup, यदि केही चेन्ज गर्नुपर्ने छ, केही एड अन गर्नुपर्ने छ, you are always free to add that in the comment section. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share this video and subscribe and help me motivated to create more videos. Thank you.